Gorgeous. This deal closed in plus, guys. I earned 1,000 bucks in 5 minutes of trading binary option, and I did it with the help of my private strategy, which I show you in this video. So here we are already on a broker pocket option, so on which we have been trading for quite a long time and on a regular basis. So today our balance is 90 bucks. So we made a transaction amount 90 bucks. Then we set the transaction time. The transaction time will be exactly 1 minute. I usually use this time frame and this time for videos to show everything optimally quickly and clearly. So we trade on currency pairs as usual. You see them in the upper area of the screen. So there are 6 of them, but we will trade maybe not all 6, but maybe 5. So then we set the time frame on our chart. This is also 1 minute as the time of our deals. So this is the time frame of changes in the candle itself. Now I showed you the fractal indicator, so turned on and off, so you can understand how it's located, where it's on the chart itself. So, and at the moment I'm showing you the setting of the data of the first indicator, and the second indicator is RSI. Now I'll tell you about the indicators, so that's immediately clear. I'll show during practice, during the explanations, which indicator is responsible for what, how to read it correctly in order to guess where the chart is going. So, and as a result of the video, I'll give you several bonuses for you. Watch carefully. Don't worry, this is a free bonus. I don't recommend you any courses. So just watch and be careful. Here we have already opened a deal on the first currency pair to fall. And what we see here, on the fractal, the last fractal was red, means the chart will go down. So it was some kind of lowest point, drawdown, the push. But why we open a deal to fall? So we see the second fractal. Here I highlight, this is a peak point, this is the resistance area. Now we are overcoming it, and there is a very high risk. So yeah, although we confidently overcame it, so I show that we constantly have reversals here, even if we have confident growth and we have a consistent with the resistance area. And I immediately show on RSI, we see we reached the peak point and often a reversal peak point here. Even we had overcoming it and the resistance area on the chart. And so we are more likely to have a reversal. We see that we get, I repeat, this reversal happened according to the fractal. We identify that there is a peak point, a resistance area that I highlighted with a rectangle. And also on the RSI, similarly, we reached the resistance area of ours, which is the value of 70. So I hope everything is clear to you. So the first deal closed in plus, so don't worry, we still have several currency pairs ahead. I think you will understand everything, so just watch. Perhaps the first time it will seem difficult, I agree with you. So now also quickly give you the bonus. So we opened the deal here for an increase, so let me explain. And immediately give you 2 bonuses, so 2 bonuses after this currency pair I'll provide to you. So here we see 3 shadows in the upper position, so we're trying to go up. We can't do it, we roll back. This tells us that most likely we'll not have a reversal, but we will again and again try to live in the upper position where we opened the deal for an increase. And then we can see here, fractal, the last one was red, and from it, this explosion occurred in the upper position. So according to RSI, we see the increase happened, then we have consolidation due to the drawdown. And then we go up again. So as I said, until the end of the deal, we have 16 seconds. Let me give you the first bonus. So the first bonus is promo code. You can find it in the description, so just pause and go there. What the fuck is promo code, you ask? Promo code gives you x2 to your balance, so you deposit 100 bucks. Instead of it, you are given 200 bucks. So something like that. I think it's very great offer, guys. And if you deposit, for example, 500 bucks, you understand, you give 1,000 bucks on your balance. So that's just super as for me. And I'll immediately provide the second bonus for you guys. This is my free Telegram channel, the link to which is also in the description. So if you could find the promo code and it run out, you go to the Telegram channel, as there are a lot of active promo codes there. So everything that you need are also in the Telegram channel. So in Telegram channel also I publish signals from time to time. Well, signals are the deals that I open. So I open the deal, publish in Telegram channel, you copy and trade with me. Also personal communication with me there in Telegram channel. So you can ask any question there and I'll answer you. So also you can watch how we develop the bot, for example, how we test the strategy, how we work together with the team, so how we trade well also. So everything is there. Useful tips also I publish on a regular basis. So while I highlight the fractal, I mean what literature to read there, also what YouTubers to watch, what videos from you I recommend, and so on. So it's absolutely free, just go watch and if you like, subscribe.
If you are struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited. So don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading.
No courses, I don't advise you anything. I don't sell at the moment. So just go, look, rate it. And according to the RSI, we have an upward trend. We opened the deal to increase, we highlighted the resistance area, we see just the same. So we are moving towards it and trying to overcome it. Well, I don't even think it will work out unsuccessfully, since the main thing is we trade on minute deals. And within a minute, our main task is to close the deal in plus. And there are 8 seconds left until the end of our transaction. We are holding quite steadily. I think the main thing is that our deal closed in plus, since we trade for a minute and we need to consider for minutes. Well, for a minute deal on the range, well, yeah, closing the deal in plus. So if this is already opening a deal for 5-10 minutes, this is a little bit another more extensive analysis and consideration of more distant chart. So let's set a deal in the amount of $300 and move on immediately to the fourth currency pair. And after which I'll tell you a small bonus also that attentive traders will also appreciate very well. I'm sure this will be of great benefit to you. Here we opened the deal on an increase. The general trend is going up. We can instantly highlight this in our situation. And then we look at the fractal. The last fractal was red, which means that with a higher probability, our chart will go down. So the red fractal, it pushes from the bottom, so the green fractal pushes from the top down. Everything is easy. So we see there was a small rise, drawdowns, so the general trend. Well, I also didn't highlight here. I think it's clear that there is an area of resistance that was on the first and second currency pair. So we see to the left the fractal, and just like that, we're trying to overcome the resistance area. Therefore, most likely, and such an uncertain growth. But nevertheless, the growth of the chart goes until the end of the deal. We have 6 seconds. There are 3, 2, 1. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This deal closed in plus, guys, and our balance has already exceeded the mark of $800. Chic. So let's quickly provide the next bonus. And next bonus is my videos. Yeah, you didn't misheard. Yeah. So in this video, I show you the strategy. I showed you what indicators I use, what settings, even in the indicators I showed to you. And now we will move on to the for a fifth currency pair, and I will also continue to show how to trade and the interactions between them. You can also open any of my videos, so I continue. And there, in any strategy I showed, there will be a similar situation. So similar video, yeah, different strategies, similar concept of the video. I show everything openly. I say this because I don't show you successful of success, like in Instagram. I don't tell you that we closed the $1 million, $100,000. No, unfortunately, yeah. But usually traders don't show you the essence of their work, yeah. They sell you the courses. I don't sell it because it's bullshit. I show everything openly. I think you don't doubt my expertise at the moment. So by fractal, we can highlight the resistance area. So far, the lower fractal has not appeared because we still have insufficient growth, and the push as such is not formed. Sorry. And then we look at the previous fractals. So the fractal was from above downwards. Now, soon a fractal will appear in the lower position. Well, there is nothing to even say. So here we clearly see the growth. The sliding is directed to the upper position. So we have overcome the average of 50, 70. I can't do anything special. The growth is strong. The candles are good. I think we will still try to overcome $1,000. Well, at least in this, until the end of the video, we will 100% do it. We see the growth, overcoming the resistance area, and we close the deal in plus. The balance removed the mark $1,000. I think this is a very, very, very cheap result for us. Let's summarize for now. So we started, I forgot, yeah, $90, and now we have already reached the mark of $1,000. So these are 5 currency pairs, and I think it's cool. Yeah, really. Theoretically, there is 5 minutes of trading, yeah, because I'm talking to you is also another minute. I remind you about bonuses, guys. So the promo code are in the description. If it ended, you go to the free Telegram channel, watch all the useful information, promo codes, strategies, contact with me, so reviews, useful tips, and so on. So everything there. So guys, there are also my bonuses in my team. So if you want, you can join my team of traders. So guys, you can look further, go ahead, look in the description, look to my Telegram channel, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. It was Katie, and bye bye.